Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if Google Pay is sending you the same notification again and again. As you can see guys, even after clearing it. In this video I will show you how to fix this. So when I am trying to clear this all notification, after some time the same notification was getting in my phone. So you can face this problem on your Android phone as well in your iPhone. So let's fix it out. This actually happened due to app glitch, notification sync issue, background refresh bug. Okay, simple but effective. Restart your iPhone or Android phone, whatever phone you are using, restart one time. After restarting, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to force close your Google Pay app. So close your Google Pay app. From the recent menu also you need to close your app like this. If you are using the Android phone, tap and hold on your app and you can open the app info from here. So if you are using iPhone, you can't get app info from the app menu. Now you can try the next method. For iPhone, open the iPhone settings, scroll down, open the apps. In the app, scroll down and find out Google Pay app like this, and here open the notification. So same you can try on your Android phone. Also you need to disable the notification for some time and wait at least 5 to 10 minutes and enable the notification back on. After doing this guys, it will help you to fix your problem. Also you need to update your app. Open the Play Store if you are using Android phone, open the App Store if you are using iPhone, and simply here you need to search Google Pay. If the app update is available, simply go ahead, update the app. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you need to clear the app data of the Google Pay app. For the Android phone user, tap and hold on the app and open the app info. From there you need to clear the app data. For iPhone, there is no particular option to clear the app data. That's why you need to uninstall and reinstall your Google Pay app. That's it. Okay, that's how you can fix the problem. Now your Google Pay notification should stop repeating. If the problem is solved, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for daily amazing tech videos.